I'm going to explain to you how to beat the recession and come out stronger than you were before the recession. Hey guys, I'm Ross with R&P 24/7. We propel reliability and maintenance productivity. Manufacturing companies are known as capital intensive, which means they have high capital investment or loans, high percentage of fixed assets, equipment, and high production volume. Manufacturing companies are highly vulnerable to economic slowdowns, downturns, and recessions. This video will be for manufacturing companies, but really applies to any other industry. Let's quickly go over a manufacturing company money-making cycle. Let's start at point A. Point A is a large capital investment, a loan, that the company makes. The money from capital investment is used mostly to build equipment, assets, that will produce products. Manufacturing companies produce products in high volume. During good times, when demand is high, they make enormous profits. The profit is used to pay off debts and stakeholders. However, when demand slows down, these manufacturing companies go through hard financial times. In this video, I will explain to you what manufacturing companies need to do to come out of a recession, downturn, or slowdowns as winners. Let's divide the economic slowdown or recession into 4 phases. Phase 1 is pre-slowdown. Phase 2 is when economic conditions start deteriorating on a downward slope. Phase 3 is when the market starts showing signs of stabilizing. The worst of the recession is now behind us, and there is light at the end of the tunnel. Phase 4 is recovery or lift. The recession is over. Phase 1 is acting early before the recession or slowdown starts. Acting early is what differentiates winners and losers. There are 3 actions you need to take here. Keep an eye on economic indicators. Increase liquidity and financial discipline. Develop 2 strategies. One for Phase 2 or downturn, and one for Phase 4 or recovery. Strategy needs to cover worst-case scenarios on layoffs, idling plants, selling assets, or hostile takeovers. Be careful here with layoffs. Layoffs need to be measured and done only after all operating efficiencies are exhausted. Research has shown that companies that only use layoffs as a last resort during recession are 3 times more likely to outperform during and after the recession. Phase 2 is weather the storm. The economy is going downhill. There are 3 actions to take. Buckle up, hold tight, and implement your recession or downhill strategy. Strategy should have a communication plan with employees, customers, suppliers, and community. Document discovered vulnerabilities. Phase 3 is act early. Again, the worst is now behind you, and you see light at the end of the tunnel. The market has bottomed out. There are 3 actions to take. Tweak your recovery strategy based on new market conditions. Improve your learned vulnerabilities. Sharpen your growth plans. Be ready for liftoff. Phase 4 is liftoff. Implement your recovery strategy and enjoy the ride to the top. Recession is over. Create excitement with your teams and customers and celebrate how you acted early, how you had a plan, and how you are heading out of the recession stronger than ever. Congratulations, you won as a team. Let's recap the 6 steps that will propel you to the top at the end of a recession. Act early, before recession starts. Develop a downhill strategy for how you will manage the downturn. Step up communication with employees, customers, and community. Learn from your vulnerabilities and improve them. Act early again when there are signs that the market conditions are stabilizing. Develop a recovery strategy. Implement your recovery strategy. You are ready for liftoff. You are stronger than ever. Celebrate with your teams because you won. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like these in the future, then please subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you.